Yeah.
I was a marine archaeologist.
I was basically obsessed with the human curiosity to know our past. Human mind is always curious to know what is in the past, and in the present context, most of us wants to know our past in search of identity. In a formal days in schools and colleges, most of us are not interested in history. Prehistory is a very technical and specialized kind of a thing. But even in history, we are not interested. As we grow old, most of us in this group are, I can see elderly people. As we grow old, actually, yes, our curiosity about the past, it increases. As the present speaker has made it very clear, on that